What do you want? What do you want?
Should I tell you what I really want? Should I tell you?
Oh, my baby girl, give our king kiss, make it chop. Now waiting he want be that. Oh, these two people no go buy me. Which kind love with this one? We can. Oh, my country people, I don't bring another wenge news. Come drop for una domot. I know say for my page, no dumb moment at all. I don't bring another version of our queen Sonia Uche and her king Maurice. When I know say for these two, no dumb moment at all. Seriously, no dumb moment. They're always the vibing queen and king. You understand? You can never be a lover of good thing and you say you don't love these two. And if you're new to my page, these two are my favorites. Be ready to be seeing them on my page as often as possible. I don't joke with them. So anything where they do are always right for where Syndigist TV they are like my people, my couple, my favorite couple, Queen Goddess and the King. Hello. I love them so much. So if you don't like any post that I made about them, just scroll up. You'll see other interesting videos. Make I play something, make una hear.
So all you have to do is send stars. Guys,
So let's go.
you heard I keep sending stars. What's better? We have 2 stars here.
1,000 each. Yes. 1,000 each.
Come on, my kill.
Let's go run our lines now.
Yep. I'm ready. What's that script? What's it? What's that script that you use?
I think Nigerians naturally they have bad mouth. It's because Nigeria has bad mouth. Where is the lie? Nigerians will not too get bad mouth. Why? Why be say good things na so na fu? Una know they take I see good things. Why you know for good things around abokasiun? Nigerians they don't see una finish you and that is on period. Anything where Queen Sonia said stands is always right. So I should talk say Nigerians to get bad mouth or wanna get out. These people they give me joy. I can't wait to attend their wedding. Sony Sound 2025. Hello. Mark the date because you will not be surprised. Say I go attend the wedding. It's a must. I must attend that wedding. My country people, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share my videos. It give me one kind of encouragement to continue. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Syndigist TV. For my page, no dull moment at all. As in the cook, I'm not sure they carry con give una. It's still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. Any other Syndigist TV na counterfeit. I'm the only person, the only person where they just start correct ubenge news where they tutorial body. I adorable. Do where to comment, share my video, share to your friends, your families, your enemies, anybody around you. Just know that our logo is the larger the family, the more fun it is in here. Okay, now stay safe out there. Bye.